Hello guys, welcome back to Ielts Winners Mock Test 8. So we are going to ask you some questions. You need to record yourself, wait, listen to the question, record and move ahead. This is how we work all the time. If you have not watched the other mock tests, do watch them and get the instructions. So part 1, you should not speak for more than 35 seconds for all the questions. For part 2, 1 minute to prepare, 2 minutes to speak. And for part 3, you should speak for maximum 45 seconds for each answer. After recording yourself, go through the marking criteria given at the end and know which area you need to improve and where you need to work hard. If you want paid courses or if you want any help, do subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.ieltswinners.net. There we have free materials as well as lots of practice materials for you to get through your exams. So let's begin our mock test for today. First is part 1, personal discussion or warm-up sessions. So let's begin. You need to pause and then record your answers for each one, not more than 35 seconds. Hello, my name is Anshu. Can you tell me your full name, please? Do you work or study? Now let's talk about New Year. How do you celebrate New Year? Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate New Year in your country? Why people think New Year is a new beginning? Moving ahead, let's talk about decorations. What is the decoration like in your house? What kind of decoration do you prefer? Do people of your country like decorating homes? What's your favorite color for decorating your house or home? Thank you. That is the end of your part 1. Let's move on to part 2, that is cue card or long discussion, long run. You will get one topic and you need to prepare on that for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you have to speak on the same topic for at least 2 minutes. Here is your cue card. Describe a country that you would like to work for a short time. You should say where you would like to work, what kind of job it would be, when you will like to go there, and explain why you want to work there in that country. Your preparation time for 1 minute begins now. Your preparation time is up. Now you can start your recording. Speak for at least 2 minutes but not more than 2 minutes. So start your recording now. That is the end of your part 2 cue card. Thank you. You can start your part 3. Part 3, that is the general discussion or follow-up questions. Each answer should be not more than 45 seconds. So let's begin. What kind of jobs are easy to get in foreign country and why? Should young adults work abroad? Why or why not? Do parents encourage children to work abroad in your country? What are the pros and cons of working in a foreign land? Thank you. That is the end of your speaking module, speaking mock test. Now, listen to your recording and mark yourself according to the description and key point and band score given here in the video. Work on the areas which you feel you are weak on. Hope this will help you to practice yourself and get your desired band in your real exam. Happy learning. Bye bye.